Okay, so what we're gonna test today is a pizza mug cake.
This is gonna be
Yeah,
fun.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, it does not look good.
No.
No.
Not a chance. Good night. Oh my.
Oh no, no.
Jeffrey, oh
It
my.
makes me want to puke.
It almost tastes like noodles. Might as well just put noodles in here.
No, like it honestly makes me want to puke, and I put it in my mouth. It's just like my body's like, no,
Mm-hmm.
no, get rid of it.
Yeah.
No, it's not good at all.
Mm-mm.
Oh, there's cheese stuck in my throat. I'll have to go get my wheel. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, I have no meal here. No.
Hey, where did you get that? That might have been mine.
No, I put mine beside my chair.
Yeah, me too. Holy shit. Sweet, you made mine? Thank you.
No, it's already there.
Because, oh.
Alright, well thanks for watching this video.
It
That was not good. Stay tuned for our next one.